Hello, welcome back to day 54 of my 90-day challenge. Today we are diving deep into some fascinating topic for me, expanding awareness and consciousness. We all experience the world around us, but have you ever wondered if there is more to it? Expanding your awareness means becoming more present and understanding and seeing all the small details in life, both internally and external. And consciousness is like understanding the big picture of yourself and your place in this vast universe. So, how can we cultivate this expansion? Here I'll share with you today 5 powerful tips that I tried and it helped me, so hopefully it will help you, or at least it made you think and want to try and understand more. First, mindfulness practice. Meditation or mindful breathings are some great tools to quiet your mind and become more present, to observe your thoughts and sensation, feel your body without judgment, and by slowing down you will open yourself to a lot of new experiences. My second is connect with nature. Immerse yourself in the natural world. Looking at flower, the sound of wind, the warmth, the feeling of the sun on your skin. The nature can be a very powerful teacher that will remind us of our connectivity with the nature and with the world around us. The third is embrace curiosity. Question the world around you. Read books. Explore the different cultures and perspectives. The more curious you are, the more you'll become aware and you'll expand your awareness. And the fourth one, practice gratitude. Take time to appreciate the good things in your life, both big and small. Shift your focus to the positive ones. I always keep telling my kids, count your blessings. Gratitude opens your heart and allows you to experience the beauty that surrounds you and allows you to acknowledge it more. And the fifth one is be present in your interactions. Listen deeply to others, really listen. Engage in conversations, but put away the distractions and truly connect with the people that you encounter, with the people that you are talking with. The deep connection will expand your understanding of yourself also and your place in this world. So expanding your awareness and this consciousness isn't about, achieving that, nirvana state of mind. It's about living a more fully appreciating the present moment and understanding the world around you better and maybe a deeper connection within yourself and with the world around you. At least that's how I think about it. So share with me what are some ways that you practice expanding your awareness. Share your experiences in the comments below. Let's keep learning and continue growing together.